When we receive a medical malpractice case in our office, again, it's much different than an automobile case. Whenever you're involved in an automobile accident, there is nothing stopping you from going down to the courthouse and filing that lawsuit the same day you're in the accident. In a medical malpractice case, you cannot do this. There are certain pre-suit requirements that must be met before you can file your lawsuit. One of these requirements is that you must obtain an affidavit from a doctor who practices in the same field of medicine, who has reviewed the case and states that there is malpractice. During this pre-suit process, the defendant also has the opportunity to talk to you and investigate the case before a lawsuit is filed. Here at Farah Farah, we are experienced in handling these cases. We are experienced in the pre-suit process. We also have a full-time registered nurse on our staff to help you evaluate your medical malpractice claim and answer all your questions. She was also there to review your medical records and talk to you about your medical condition. We are also able to review your claim even if it's been turned down by another law firm. We understand that some law firms have stopped handling these claims in part because the legislature puts limits on what you can recover. These cases are also very expensive to handle, and a lot of law firms that typically may handle a personal injury case, such as a car accident or slip and fall case, choose not to handle these claims because they are so expensive. However, we want you to know that we at Farah Farah have the financial resources available to handle any type of medical malpractice injury. Our firm remains committed to protecting all victims wrongfully injured by others, and a medical malpractice case is no exception. Some of the cases that we've been involved in have been misdiagnosis cases, where a doctor wrongfully diagnoses a problem or there is some inaccurate medical testing in the laboratory. There could also be a false negative or a false positive test that results in injury to you, or perhaps an infant has been injured during birth, or there is a misdiagnosis of a condition resulting in a heart attack. These are all situations that we can evaluate. Our firm is dedicated to representing any victims of medical malpractice until the legislature nails the doors to the courthouse shut.